Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Forester ball joint. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and supported on jack stands. Then, remove the wheel and carefully unbolt the brake caliper, securing it out of the way. Next, disconnect the sway bar link from the lower control arm. This prepares the area for the ball joint removal process. Now, let's disconnect the ball joint itself. Begin by removing the cotter pin and the castle nut from the ball joint stud. Next, use a specialized ball joint separator tool to carefully pry the ball joint free from the steering knuckle. Finally, unbolt the control arm from its mounting points on the vehicle's subframe, allowing for full access. With the control arm free, it's time to extract the old ball joint. Position a ball joint press tool securely around the joint and the control arm. Slowly and steadily press the old ball joint out of its housing. Once removed, take time to thoroughly clean the bore in the control arm, ensuring it's free of rust or debris for the new ball joint. To install the new ball joint, use the press tool to carefully seat it into the control arm. Then, reassemble all components in the reverse order of removal, ensuring all fasteners are tightened to their proper specifications. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is crucial after this repair to ensure safe driving and proper tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.